So we had a good night's sleep, the little fellow. Our kingdom. It's time for breakfast now. Yeah, the weather was good. No rain, no winds. Yeah, we're gonna start exploring. So we're still in a tent. The weather is rainy. It's wet outside. So have some breakfast. Hoping that weather improves. There we go. It's not the best, but it is what it is. We'll have some breakfast and then hopefully we can explore some of the coast.
I rather the cheese crackers.
This is the Ramsey Island. One of the boats is going out. Nice. So this is it. We're just sitting and enjoying the views from beautiful Pembrokeshire coast. What are you gonna say?
I'm tired.
Tired. It was a long journey. It was a long journey. Anyway, waiting for the boat trip. We'll take a trip around the island. Hoping to see a bit of wildlife, seals and puffins. And the weather is pretty good, so let's hope for the best.
How are we all doing?
Good.
Are we all excited? Anyone been out with us before? Oh, welcome back. I kind of guessed that you might have been out before. Someone got there first. So my name's Matt, I'll be your crew today. And then we have our skipper behind you, Dave. So I'm just going to go through the safety talk and we can get going. So.
It stands.
So the Atlantic, oh there you go, you can see one of the white seal pups on the left hand side now really clearly. So the white fluffy coat that they have is called Lanugo. It is a very downy fur. So seal pups sound like crying babies. know, hard to gauge them between the ages of 1 and 3. Yeah, I'm very curious.
Okay.
So this little spot on the southern end of Ramsey, we've got 4 volcanic igneous rocks around this part of the island. There's a lot of newer down here. So about 110 million years old, going up to about 500 odd million, more than that. This cave or big chamber is called Ogof Kantor, or Chinese Cave. It was a magma chamber millions of years ago.